And thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for the wonderful party you gave me. This was the best day of my life.
Wow!
So touching. And of course,
good evening, everyone. First, I would like to thank God for for my opportunity, and I would like to thank my parents for making this party. I would like to thank my friends, classmates, teachers,